In a world where industrial and mining operations depend on reliable assets to keep people safe and their businesses moving forward, we've developed Orien to help you build asset management strategies to keep up with your constantly changing environment. Developed by asset management experts, drawing on decades of experience, improving reliability in the world's most asset-intensive industries. Orien brings the power of dynamic management strategies to the cloud to help you maximize the performance of your assets. Orien has made it easy and intuitive to get up and running with built-in tools and support, allowing you to deploy your custom maintenance strategy quickly. Standardize your approach across multiple sites to improve utilization while reducing costs, making it easy to plan maintenance activities and ensure critical assets perform at their peak. Contact our team to learn how Orien can work for your operation. Find the path to better asset performance with Orien. Visit us on the web, www.orien.app.